Hello from AlphaCars from our Boxborough location. My name is Dimitri and I'm going to show you around a very recent trade that we just got from one of our local customers. It is a 2012 Subaru Outback in actually amazing mechanical condition. Let's check it out closer. We encourage you to visit our website and check the vehicle availability. If it is still available, you'll see the listing and you'll be amazed with the value. As I said, it's a local trade-in, top mechanical condition, excellent cosmetic condition. This car was very well cared for. Again, it's a local family here close to Boxborough. They bought a Mercedes C-Class, an older one, but with nice low miles. And they really enjoyed this Subaru, and they planned on keeping it for much longer, but we had an irresistible value in the C300 that they picked up, and they traded the Subaru. So we're lucky to have it, and we offer it for your consideration. Very, very nice condition, well cared for, with heated seats and leather and nice color. This car would be fun to drive, and it's all-wheel drive, excellent for New England. Overall, the car is in great condition. We're going to take a closer look. There are just a couple of touch-ups one was done right here. Overall, the paint is in excellent condition. No dents or scratches on the side. Continental tires are still in great shape. You can all our listings, they always show exact tires and brake measurements, and our inspection report is also listed. So thank you very much for viewing this video. We hope it will help you with selecting your car, and don't hesitate to give us a call with any additional questions you might have. You can reach us at 978-263-9000. You can also send us an email to sales@alphacars.com, or just contact us through the website, right through the contact us button for this vehicle listing. We will be thrilled to help you.